I was hoping to have a calm afternoon, but isn't the case. So got to get out of the suit and start wrenching with the boys and do something for them. So.
That booster juice hit you.
A complete car rebuild, so they need to
with Keith Beam, and they're both out.
Now we are turning left at the top.
Okay, so yeah, so we're gonna come up to the top. So I'm gonna call out left at the top, and then straight over the next one.
Yeah. Right there on the right.
Okay.
See the one you just missed there?
Yeah.
And we saw people pretty good speed coming down.
Felt great. It came across from the bottom of the first hill across to the rock face. I wasn't thinking is probably what the issue was. We came in, set it up, and in my mind it was just a keep on the throttle and up. And unfortunately with the CVT here, I wasn't thinking enough about the high range, so we twisted a rear axle. Drive shaft. Thank you. Drive shaft. The axles are still all intact, which is amazing. Fortunately, it just took us out. So thanks to the safety crew up there for getting us off course. Knowing what I know now, I just carry the outside. I'm excited for Martin to go out there. I think he's learned from my mistakes and hopefully get one of these MBRP cars in a solid qualifying position.
Going home, baby, down the straight. Nice job. Coming in. Yeah. Oh, that was fun, buddy. Yeah, it was. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, that was actually so much fun. Definitely going into that pretty nervous watching Josh brake. We didn't want that, not for them either, for what that's worth. But so we chose a different line to go up that hill, that we were able to keep momentum and not have to stop on the hill to then rerun. This is what I came here for. Like, I've been watching this since 2008. This is an actual dream come true for me. So again, just being able to go through the course and drive the course and qualifying is so much fun.
That's the way we're doing it here, and we're doing it for the team. As I've said in other videos, man, we're a new team. We as drivers want to do the best we can, but it's the team that I want to finish for the team. And you know what? A lot of people have come up to us, like a lot of veterans here, people that have been on this desert lake bed a lot longer than I have, saying you guys are anywhere from nuts to crazy to energetic to like good for you for going and taking one car, or both cars are going to do both races. One car is going to do both races. And we have the 391 doing it, we have the 80 doing it as well. So super excited for the team, can't wait to see what Thursday brings.